peposo, an Italian stew. The family has been asking me for weeks to make it, but it's 90 degrees outside. But how can I say no with simple ingredients? And the crock pot will do all the work for me. Traditionally, this will go in the oven for 12 hours in a Dutch oven pot, and we don't touch it. Simple ingredients: a whole bottle of wine. Yes, a whole bottle of wine will go in there. A ton of garlic. I have about 10 cloves of garlic in here. A ton of pepper, rosemary, bay leaves, and a roast. And don't forget the bread. This is going to be so thick, the meat is going to melt in your mouth. So, let's go. Three more hours to go. Only if you can smell my kitchen. It smells like a grandmother's Tuscan kitchen. Just a beautiful aroma. The wine has reduced and the meat is becoming nice and tender. I'll see you back in a couple hours. 3 hours. I did nothing all day. I'll be back. Okay, it's ready. Oh my God. The meat is just falling apart. And some more juice. A little bit more salt. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. and some fresh parsley. Can't forget about the bread. And a nice big chunk of bread. And there you have it. Peposa. Peposo. Peposa. Alright. Let's try it. The meatballs right apart. The meat just felt melted in my mouth. Now, if you don't like pepper, this is not the dish for you. But the pepper, amazing. I have to dip the bread. Peposo in an Italian stew. Comfy and cozy, definitely coming back to my Sunday dinner menu. Thanks again for joining me. If you like these sort of videos, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Send me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And join me every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Again,